All right, we got our new BOSE headset. So this is a quick unboxing. These are the Quiet Comfort. And a little thank you note. Welcome to the world of BOSE. You can set up an account and download an app. So we'll open them up, get them paired. Says it's in French, it looks like, a couple other languages. Noise canceling, so these are for a trip to Europe. I'm tired of the earbuds. Press play, pause the rest. Cue the music, start here, set up at BOSE.com, so I can do that. It's got a nice little cover. So they had a deal recently, like 150 off. There's a silica pack, and then all the FCC and stuff like that. Support at BOSE.com. This is the warranty. Let's keep our planet safe and sound. Join our commitment by recycling this box. I'll probably just save it. Pretty nice. Smaller than I thought, for sure. Oh yeah, that's nice. These are going to be great. So there's a charging cord and then a head jack. The head jack was that 3mm or whatever they call it. So it'll plug into like an iPod or an old player. These are super light, nice and flexible. That looks like the on button. Yep, they're on. So then we'll set these aside. And there they are, they're already showing up. BOSE QC headphones. And just like that, says the accessory has an app you do not have installed. Would like to get that from the App Store. I'm gonna hit ignore for now. And it's already connected. So we should be good to go. That simple. I'm gonna throw them on the charger after I listen to them, charge them up 100%, and then play with these buttons. That's volume up and down, it looks like. There's a USB-C charge port. And this is either next song or pause. Sometimes you double tap it, it'll do something. And you can see the little vents for the noise canceling. That's it, I can't wait. It's gonna be a good trip. I don't know if you can sync these to the aircraft. I think that's what this is for. You can plug this into the airplane, and then it looks like to the bottom here maybe. And then you can listen without being wireless, and you probably still have noise canceling. So on sale right now. You can also get refurb if you go to the BOSE website. It just takes a little longer than if you go to like Amazon, but I think they're under 200 bucks refurbished if they have them. So check in and see if they do. Super lightweight upgrade. All right, I just used these for about an hour and still haven't done the app yet, but they're awesome. As soon as you put them on your head, when they're on, you'll see a huge drop in ambient noise. So the other thing is it's clearly marked left and right on the inside. And I think these are rebuildable. So the last pair I had, they were off-brand from Costco, Able Planet. They fell apart in just a few months sitting in storage. And I don't expect that to happen with these, but if they do, you can get a rebuild kit. So anyhow, I'm going to download the app and dial in the bass and treble and noise canceling, and we'll see how it goes.